It's Giving Tuesday, and we are announcing a new charitable initiative for Westman Atelier. So these two limited edition, super juicy, super perfect tinted lip balms are now available exclusively on Westman Atelier. So we have Lulu, which is a really rich, beautiful black plum, which I'm wearing right now. And this is Rudy Nudie. This is one of my favorites. It's a really good kind of perfect nude. For every duo sold over the next 12 months, we will donate 100% of the net profits to these two charities. Okay, so first off, we have Time Givers, and Time Givers is a London-based platform. Time Givers offers volunteering experiences for school children within their communities. They work with hospitals, they work with animals, they work with community green spaces, refugees. That's one of our charities. And the second one is born out of my passion for the environment. We found this wonderful charity called Bee Girl. It's a female-founded organization in Oregon. Its work is centered on bee habitat conservation through research and education. They're impacting our country's agriculture and building our next generation of conservationists. And it's a perfect time to snap up this limited edition duo. I'm obsessed. I'm so excited. We'll be sharing more on the work of these incredible two charities in the next coming months. All right, thanks. Bye.